Okay, I can't do a video or a picture with my phone, but my iPad I can do with my iPad. I have to do it on selfie mode though, since I'm okay, baby, come on, baby, hurry up, come on. You want to come out? Hurry up, come on. She wants to be nosy. So I managed to. Okay, here's my walking stick. Shoot, I forgot to cover my face. I need a mask on. I'm gonna go get my mask. This I saved from when I had my fifth wheel. Helped me get that tire out the damn off the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here for a minute. Go get my face covered up because my allergies really acting up. Hurry up. Wish I knew where my black one was. I don't know where it's at. Don't know where my black one's at. So I'm gonna just use what I got. Better than nothing. Okay. So move it. You're not going out right now. You're not going out here. Out here. You can wait on the porch. Damn it. Damn walking stick fell into shit. Well, at least I managed to get the tire, the tire, the tire that was wedged. Like you say, Ann, it was practically growing. Okay, practically growing. It was down in here. Well, I got that shit. This helped me. This right here, this nice hook, it helped me get that damn tire. So now it's down there. Let them deal with it. Cause see, I have the pink ribbons. Okay, they have red. I have that light pink up there. So okay, so they got the red. I got the pink. See how damn close they are. This is me right here. What is that? Maybe, I don't think it's 12 inches. Maybe 6 inches. I don't know. I'm going to measure it, matter of fact. Here. Okay, here. Tip in. Come straight across. Maybe a ruler. Maybe a ruler. Maybe 12 inches. But then going up the hill, look at this. Look at this acorn thing. Oh, green, 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 green. Look at this. Green. It is so green. Green, green, green. From which tree? I don't know. This here is cedar, I think, right? This is cedar up over me right there. But this is this pecan? I don't think it's pecan. I don't know what it is, but it ain't cedar. So all that wood and stuff like that, that's on their side. I'm here. Yes, whole almost. I'm here. I got smaller pink. They got bigger, bigger red. It goes all the way up, all the way up. I ain't walked up there yet, but I see they done put something up there. Mark. They got something up there. Let's see. Can we make this any bigger? No, we can't make this no bigger because it's on selfie mode. But I'm going to go up there. I'm going to climb up there too. They done climbed up there. See? I got pink shit. I got pink little ones all the way up to that tree. I ain't been up there yet, but I'm fishing. I will be going. Oh yeah, I will be going. I will be going. I'll put my damn shoes on, get ready to go up there now. As a matter of fact, take pictures and shit. That's what I'm gonna do. Put on my damn high tops. Get my stick. Get baby. You got to do a little exploring shit. We sure are. See, we got steps over here. We already got steps. We got steps right here. Our steps right there. Am I smelling gas? Did I get a whiff of gas? I hope not. Shit. Was that baby put that poop there? I don't think that's baby, but oh yeah, we going up there. See. Take some damn pictures. Okay, I'll be back. Now I can go in here closer to the Wi-Fi. Upload this right quick while I go get my damn shoes on. My hiking shoes. Me and baby need to go up there. See what the hell. Because we ain't been up there yet. But we going today. Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody. Adios. Thank you for watching. Today is December 23rd, 2025. December 27th, 2025, I'll be the big 7-0. Woo! Or 07. Nah, 70, baby. 70. So, y'all stay safe out there. I love YouTube. All YouTubers, especially small YouTubers like myself, where I can intermittently create content and post it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe out there. Stay blessed. Blessings. I hope y'all stop by next time I'm able to upload. Thanks again for watching. Love y'all. Bye for now.